Diving into idioms. Unraveling, sink to new depths. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English idioms, and we'll be exploring the meaning behind the phrase, sink to new depths. Idioms are a fascinating part of learning any language because they enrich our conversations with vivid imagery and expressions. So, if you're ready to expand your English language skills, you're in the right place. Before we dive into our main idiom, let's briefly talk about what idioms are. Idioms are phrases or expressions whose meanings cannot be understood from the individual meanings of their words. They are used metaphorically and have to be learned as whole expressions. Examples include, break the ice, or hit the nail on the head. Understanding idioms is crucial for language learners as they are common in everyday conversations. Now, let's explore sink to new depths. At first glance, this phrase might conjure images of a submarine or diver going deeper into the ocean. However, metaphorically, it's used to describe a situation or individual reaching a new level of moral, ethical, or professional decline. It implies that someone has behaved worse than before, surpassing previous lows in conduct or performance. To fully grasp this idiom, let's look at some examples. After the scandal, the politician sank to new depths, losing the trust of even his staunchest supporters. The quality of the show sank to new depths in the latest season, disappointing fans across the globe. These examples highlight how the phrase can be used to discuss deteriorating standards in both personal behavior and the quality of work or entertainment. When you use sink to new depths in conversation, it's usually to express disappointment or critique regarding someone's actions or a decline in quality. It's a powerful idiom that should be used judiciously, considering its strong connotation of disapproval. And that's a wrap on sink to new depths. We hope this exploration has given you a deeper understanding of this idiom and how it can be used to express nuanced critiques of behavior or quality. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to enrich your English and sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to diving into more idioms with you in future videos. Happy learning!